My name is Chirag Mittal, project manager in an MNC. Soon I'll be promoted as senior project manager in the company. I'm youngest in the company to achieve that feat. Living a comfortable and settled life. I got what I deserve, but not what I desire.
It's a man's world, and it's difficult for a girl like me to get past all the male chauvinists and make it big.
And the harder you try, the stronger they drag you down. As a writer, it's easy for me to turn thoughts into stories on paper, but writing my story on the paper of life is not that easy.
इंजीनियर नहीं, डॉक्टर नहीं, आर्मी बिल्कुल नहीं. Then what the hell will I do in my life?
I'm satisfied with my job, but not with my life. I almost forgot my dream in pursuit of money. But one day, my old friend called me and said, Chirag, I'm opening a restaurant that we had planned in our school days. Are you in? I couldn't reply. That phone call inflamed a dead fire within me. I had no answers, but only questions.
My wishes, my desires, what I want from life, nobody cares. Nobody at all. People are standing, just ready to laugh at my failures. We can hear a voice at every step screeching. Loser.
Overambitious bitch.
My friends say I'm a very good storyteller. There's a fire within me to do something big in life and be somebody. My perception is different, not ordinary. But sometimes I feel, do I really have a future in this? Will I be successful in this?
This was a tough decision for me to make at that time. But now, it's more difficult. Living a well-settled and comfortable life to fulfill a dream which I saw as a teenager was a challenge. But was it just a dream or something that would add a meaning to my life? Will I be able to make this decision now?
But in the end, it's your dream. You have to protect it. Because only you stand between yourself and your dream.
It's my dream, and only I can take it to success. I have to struggle. I have to fight.
Dreaming about something and turning it into reality is a different thing altogether. Some people are capable of doing it. Maybe I'm not. According to Shakespeare, world is a stage and all of us are actors who play their roles and make exit. Then what is my role in this world?
There are no right or wrong decisions. Eventually, it all depends on you. You should have a fire that can craft your decision into a successful one. I have to make a decision with no regrets, no looking back, and which will give me a reason to live. Live happily.
I have to be stronger. I have to be brave. I will be surrounded by humiliation, discouragement, fear and failure. But I have to keep going. I have to keep pushing.
Till I get the final triumph.
I don't know how I'll do it, how I'll be successful in life. But one thing I can say is that I've taken my first step.
action.